Hey, how you doing today? My name is Will. Thank you for stopping by. Say how you feel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make an organization shirt using the Plastar transfer sheet that I've used, I guess about 2 years ago. About 2 years ago. I don't know, but I'm going to show you how to use a Plastar sheet transfer, how you can make money doing your videos and things like that. Stay tuned. Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome back. Again, I'm Will. This is Say How You Feel. And today I'm going to teach you how to do organizational shirts. For all those people who are around with people like, I belong to several different organizations. I'm a member of Phi Beta Sigma Fraternity Incorporated, a member of Alpha Alpha Nu Fraternity Incorporated, a member of Capitol Hill 251, Masonic Lodge, PHA, all day, every day. Much love to everybody else if you represent that square and the compass. I don't care what affiliation, I still gonna love you. Let's keep moving forward. So, that being said, if you belong, you have people in your organizations. This is for a praise mind team. If you have, dance groups, whatever the case may be, any type of organizations, if you're in college, whatever group, you can make your little money. How? Because you get your nice little heat press. And my links will be added to this. The link for this heat press will be added at the bottom. We can get us a great heat press, 16 by 20. It comes with a Teflon sheet up top as well as one at the bottom, which means you won't have to really worry about using a Teflon sheet. I just press because I don't have to worry about Teflon sheet. I don't need one. So with that being said, without further ado, I'm going to show you how to do this. It's set on 400, well, it probably just dropped down a little bit. It fluctuates between 400 and 397, which is fine because it's going to press anyway for 8 seconds. Place it down. I use this glove so I can go ahead and do this. So as you can see, what's wrong with the brand? All the ink is off. All you see is like a little residue. And this transfer is old. I'll be mindful to tell you, this is an old transfer. And for it to still be, on here and doing this thing, you know what I'm saying? That's like, that shows how long these things last. They last for a long time. Press this on here, you keep going, you move forward, So, with that being said, if you have any questions, please inbox me. Please leave a comment. I'll be glad to respond. And you can do me a favor, share, like, subscribe, and support the channel. And at the end of the day, keep doing you, and make sure you say how you feel. Peace.